Ready, start. Bulldozing the bill through Parliament and pushing it into law while ignoring the public outcry is verily a failure of the democratic process. Full stop. The way the transgender persons inside bracket protection of rights bracket close Amendment Bill, 2026 was rushed both houses of Parliament amid opposition, walkouts, and a storm of protests by the LGBTQ communities is condemnable. Full stop. There was neither a transparent consultative process during the drafting of the bill, nor an informed discussion on its various aspects in Parliament. Full stop. While the bill was framed as an effort to correct past legislative shortcomings, there is an apprehension among stakeholders that it applied a heteronormative lens to a law intended to address complex issues of gender identity and human dignity. Full stop. The bill explicitly states inside double inverted comma the purpose was and is not to protect each and every class of persons with various gender identities, self-perceived sex hyphen gender identities or gender fluidities, double inverted comma close. This stance has left many within the community uncertain regarding their legal standing, full stop, by moving away from broader definitions, the bill has altered the legal landscape established by previous judicial precedents, such as the Nalsa versus Union of India judgment, full stop. True, concerns have been raised about possible misuse of allowing self-perceived gender identities for those seeking to avail of public facilities and government benefits earmarked for transgender persons, full stop, but in the attempt to do away with the contentious issue of self identification of gender without certification by a medical board, it shifts the focus toward mandatory biological markers including chromosomes, hormones, and genitalia or specific socio-cultural communities, full stop. Next. Moreover, it is problematic to conflate the distinct concepts of sex and gender as done in the bill, full stop. In effect, the bill reduces the psychological and socio-cultural markers of gender to biological characteristics, full stop. Only those identifiably within the specified set of socio-cultural communities escape the stipulations of the legislation, full stop. Despite these concerns, the government has maintained that the act reflects a inside double inverted comma collective conscience, comma, even as stakeholders suggest that the move limits existing protections instead of expanding them, full stop. Effective governance mandates engagement in consultation with all stakeholders, full stop, to address the current protests by members of the LGBTQ communities, comma, the government must return to a collaborative approach and move toward a rights based law developed through a transparent consultative approach and move toward a rights based law developed through a transparent consultative process. Full stop, stop.